Why do we measure chlorophyll-a for lake health? Imagine peering into a lake and wondering what's really happening beneath the surface. One of the best ways to get a clear picture is by measuring something called chlorophyll-a. This tiny pigment is found in algae and microscopic plants in the water. When we measure it, we learn how much algae is growing in the lake. Why does that matter? Because algae levels can tell us a lot about the overall health of the water. If algae are growing too much, it often means nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus are flooding into the lake. These nutrients usually come from pollution sources such as farm runoff, wastewater, or septic systems. When they enter the water, they give algae a boost to grow rapidly, creating what's called an algal bloom. These blooms can be harmful because when algae die, their decomposition uses up oxygen in the water. That oxygen loss can cause fish and other aquatic animals to suffocate. Plus, thick algae can make the water murky, blocking sunlight from reaching underwater plants. Some algae also produce toxins that can be dangerous to wildlife, pets, and even people. Measuring chlorophyll-a gives us a simple, cost-effective way to track how much algae is present without needing to test for every nutrient directly. It acts as an indirect marker for nutrient pollution and helps water managers spot early signs of problems. The process involves collecting water samples from different parts of the lake and analyzing them using special techniques like spectrophotometry or fluorimetry. These methods measure the amount of chlorophyll-a in micrograms per liter, which tells us how dense the algae population is. Regular testing over time helps us see trends and understand how factors like climate change or pollution are affecting the lake. This information is vital for making decisions to protect water quality, prevent harmful algal blooms, and keep lakes safe and enjoyable for everyone. So, by measuring chlorophyll-a, we get a window into the lake's biological activity and can act before small issues turn into big ecological problems.